agent. It's part of your investigation as a contact agent.
Yes, that's correct.
So it would have been paid for
No,
by
I
crime
paid it.
intelligence.
No, I paid for myself. I paid for myself. I've not claimed anything from my handler. Some of these things, Commissioner, you know, I'm very patriotic. It is just that people don't know. Some of these things, I will do them from my pocket.
So the long and short of it is you paid for this
That's
trip
correct.
out of your pocket.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If I may ask, how much did it cost you? Traveling, hotel bills, and whatever other incidentals, how much did it cost you?
15,000 rand.
And I assume you have claimed amounts less than 15,000 rand from. I find it strange then that